So what is Memby and how do you monetize on Memby? How do you make an extra income? So the whole idea of having Memby, and I'll tell you a very quick story. I'm a speaker and I fly all around the world and I give talks and I give lectures and I give boot camps. The challenge with that is that when you're not able to fly to events because of current circumstances, it is a very, very challenging matter. So one of the things that a lot of teachers, coaches, authors, speakers, mentors, what we're doing right now is we're putting all our content online. Now, if you have a very powerful message to share, you have to get paid for that message. And so one of the things we've created is Memby to help you put your content online without any of the hassle. I know I'm very, very good at my topic. I know I'm very, very good at teaching that topic, and I've been doing this for many years. But the challenge is I'm not very good with technical stuff, which is why we built Memby. In literally a few clicks, you're going to be able to just drag, drop, copy and paste, and your membership site will be running in minutes. So how does this work? So you're going to make money three ways. The first way is we're going to have a membership site. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our content, we'll upload our content of things that we teach, and then what we'll do from there, if people want to access that training, they'll have to pay a monthly subscription. Now imagine you have 1,000 people that pay you just $10 a month. That's $10,000 a month. That's $120,000 a year. So that's the first way we monetize. And you may be thinking, well, John, don't people get this content online for free? Yes, they get general content, but they don't get specific content and specialized knowledge. And this is why Memby is so great for a lot of you content creators. If you're a teacher, you're a speaker, you're an author, you're a consultant, we're now able to teach our content online and get paid to do what we love to do. The second strategy is actually creating an online e-learning course. So we can create a series of videos, turn them into e-classes. Maybe we have documents that support that. Maybe we have audio that supports that. Maybe we have PowerPoint presentations that support that. But we can turn that into a full-fledged e-learning course that people can pay one time for. So it's very different to the membership area where people pay you money every single month. With this, you upload your online e-learning course and people can pay one time to access that training. So the third way we monetize on Memby is that we have a Ask the Expert section. So this is where your students can actually come and ask you a question and you can actually reply to that question either through a video, through text, or through a voice message. So this is a great way for you to monetize. So these three income streams, the membership, the e-learning course, the Ask the Experts, all these things will actually help you monetize what you have in here. Now I'll give you some ideas of some of the things that you could actually monetize if you do any type of creative arts. Maybe you do drawing, painting, singing, dancing, you play some kind of musical instrument, you speak, you teach languages, you teach math, you're a coach, you're a speaker, you teach life coaching, meditation, anything to do where you're solving a problem and you're helping people and adding value to people's lives. So what people are doing right now, as you know, e-learning is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and so we want to be a part of this industry where more and more people now are using the internet. There are billions of people right now on social media consuming content. In fact, they say that the e-learning industry is going to be a $350 billion industry by 2025. So this is a great way for you to start monetizing what you already have in here and start earning an extra income on the side. So if you like to start monetizing what's in your head and start making a passive recurring income, then we're going to give you a 14-day free trial. So around this video on this page, there's going to be a button that says 14-day free trial. You're going to put your details in, then you'll come to the thank you page, which has a 3-minute walkthrough video of how you set everything up. And once you go in there, you'll be up and running in minutes. Also within the Memby site, you're also going to have a training area as well, where I've put a lot of training content in there. In fact, I've got a little mini course in there that's going to get you started really, really fast. So go ahead right now, get your 40-day free trial, and I really look forward to seeing you on the other side.